everybody, Mike here. So this is my Chamberlain wall mount garage door opener. We installed this a couple years ago for the sole purpose of I needed the space above the garage door that the traditional garage door opener takes up. So as you know, most of your typical garage door openers have the rail that runs all the way down the center of the garage and then stops about where this light is right here. But with me having an oversized vehicle, when I pulled in, the bracket that attached from the opener to the door would touch the top of my roof, which I had to modify at one point in time. I got tired of having to deal with all that, so I opted to go with this system here a couple years ago, and I'm so glad I did it. So just to go over a couple of the features here real quick, it mounts directly to the rail next to your spring on your garage door opener, so it's a direct drive unit. This piece here monitors the tension on your door, so if it gets too much tension on your cable here, it'll pull that up and stop your door. So that's a safety feature to keep from damaging your door. That's a really nice feature to have. You still got your emergency pull chain on here as well. Now the one thing you need to make sure you have before you do this installation is an outlet that's within 6 feet or so of your actual opener. So I had to have an outlet installed before I could put this opener in. I think the coolest feature of this door, hands down, is this lock right here. What's really cool about that is you mount that to the side of your rail with the 2 screws here, and you can manually unlock this like this. The other cool thing, let me set you down here. I'll go open this door real quick. When I push this door opener, first thing that'll happen is that lock will unlock, and then that door starts going up. And the same thing, when you put the door down, that lock slides over and locks. So my garage door is locked automatically every time I open or shut it. Really neat feature to have. So the other thing too you'll notice when you operate this opener is just how quiet it is. You don't have the rattling of a chain going up there. If you have a belt drive system, it's a little bit quieter. So other than the door making some creaking noises itself, the actual motor, the garage door opener itself is dead silent. And then that lock pops over when the door is shut. Another nice convenience feature that this Chamberlain garage door opener has to offer, that you can download this MyQ app and program any Chamberlain garage door openers that you've got. And then you can label each door and actually go in the app and you can see whether that door is offline or online. You can open and shut the door from the app, whether you're home or not, as long as you've got Wi-Fi or cellular service available. For me, I haven't been able to use my app in quite some time because my Wi-Fi doesn't reach out to my garage anymore. But this is a great convenience feature to have, especially if you're not home and someone needs to get in your garage. Let's say UPS driver needs to drop a package off and it's raining. You could open the door for him and actually let him put that in the garage and shut the door when he leaves. As far as this light goes, the light is wireless. You can put this light anywhere you want it. I went ahead and put it in the same location that the old garage door opener was in, but if you didn't want that on the ceiling like that, you could literally put it anywhere on your wall in your garage. So some folks will actually just mount it right here by the door, which is next to the opener. Here's your opener switch here. Just a simple one button here. So if I hit the light button here, it pops the light off and on. The motion sensor when you walk in will activate that light I just showed you. So I've been very happy with this garage door system so far. I'm definitely glad I did this. I wish I would have done it sooner, to be honest. If you're needing the extra space above your door, if you drive a taller vehicle, or let's just say you wanted to put some kind of racking system above your garage door, freeing up that space gives you a lot more functionality. Opening up the ceiling, get rid of your rail on a traditional garage door opener gives you a lot more options there above your door. If you're looking for a garage door opener to save you some space and is extremely easy to install, check out this Chamberlain unit. I think you'll be really happy with it.